time. I love all these vegetation of the earth. But it's the most of all, I gotta give thanks for the herbs, you know. So you hear me? I want you to drop the one, let me do the ganja song after the ganja man. Cause Jamaica is a ganja land. Hey, I just the ganja man a smoke. Rasta man no wanna go. But hear me now, no officer. Talk the truth to all of this stuff. You still have us so hard. And the little split, yeah, you wanna pull you gun off in front of the little sister. The little earth, when I have wrap up in a whistle. What is a God? They really hate it. This bad, you hear them? Hate the weed, it let them start hate scissors. Start to pressure the mini bus, them and the taxi cab. And still find time to make the farmer man sad. But lately, the topic of this system lately, the people are the victim lately. Me a go and smoke me split still lately. See, we are telling them say lately, the topic of this system lately, the people are the victim. Go and smoke me split still lately. See, because as a man, me have to look it for me kids, them and my wife. We been forced, we make some wrong decision in our life. Them have to understand, man, them on a mission in our life. Food no church, no mention the water bills, them and the light. More time, really have to wonder how I this. When police are burn a field, and me can't burn a slip. When the doctor have it back up in a field, me this or this. We take it and heal all the sick. What is since lately? The topic of the system lately. The people are the victim lately. Marijuana is G. We tell them so lately. The topic of the system lately. The people are the victim lately. Marijuana is it's a great tree. Officer, I know that man wants. No one fi go a jail for a natural plant. Me smoke and meditate and relax and calm them. Set all my teeth, me no a lie them a tell the brother. Juggle the weed in a buy and sell. If me bust a quarter pound, you stay a mile and smell. But now them want man lock up it and sell, not doing well since lately. Ras Bogle, give me the next track.